Good morning. My name is Dr. Jenkins. I'm coming to you from Paradigm Chiropractic and Disc Centers of America, Washington, D.C. I'm so excited to present to you this opportunity that we're sharing with everyone about the 60 minutes to revitalize your spine. Why 60 minutes? We want to break down spinal decompression, nerve pain, neuropathy, stenosis, and pinched nerves in 3 digestible 20-minute sessions. 3 days. Over 3 days, we will give you a wealth of information. We're going to provide you with links. We're going to give you research. We're going to give you all of the things that are necessary for you to make an informed decision. All of this is going to be free. I'm giving it away over the next 3 days. The reason why is because we want people who want to be informed about spinal decompression as a realistic option to avoid surgery, to avoid injections, to avoid opioids. We're looking for people who are interested in this. So we're training and opening up this whole session for free. I'm so crazy. I'm doing it on my birthday, July 3rd, July 4th, July 5th. If you're tired of the lost time, lost sleep, the lost intimacy in your relationships, the lost family time, we're going to give you all of the tools to make the best decision possible for you to move forward in your life. Spinal decompression works. I am so excited to bring this to people. I'm passionate about it, and I want to make sure that you understand how spinal decompression is a viable option to help you relieve all of the nerve pain and the things that you've been experiencing in your neck and lower back, and also in your feet. So again, Dr. Jenkins, Paradigm Chiropractic, Disc Centers of America, Washington, D.C.